Hi, I'm Steve Gilkson. I'm the Southland Surfacing Divisional Manager. We're here at the Invercargill Airport undertaking mill and fill of the main runway. My role in the contract is the contractor's rep, so predominantly I'm looking after the client interactions and supporting the site team with all their needs. We've just completed 11 shifts out of 34 in total, working our way down 1.7 k's of runway. Also, the works out here involve a full civil lighting upgrade where we're ducting over 16,000 metres, ready to replace the old halogen bulbs with LED lighting.
So Invercargill Airport, a key piece of infrastructure, Invercargill and Southland. Main connections through to Christchurch, into Auckland and to Stewart Island. So this project, we're resealing the central 1,700 metres of the runway. That piece of runway has got to the end of its useful life, and so we're just going through a routine upgrade of it. Really key thing is though, there is no plan B. We need that runway every single morning, so the works are taking place at night, doing 50-metre shifts, and then every morning that piece of runway needs to be open, ready to go, lines painted, no exceptions, it has to be ready.
Life cycles of runways are normally in the 10 to 12 year mark. And during this time, the airports will negotiate with a consultant and they will do the design work, the test pits. And out of that, they will design what needs to be done to that runway. Fulton Hogan, we can tap into our Trans-Tasman and bring all that knowledge, learnings together. There might be a runway that guys have done over in Australia, which is very similar to the one we've done in New Zealand. And you can take some of the learnings or the methodology. They might have come up with some smarts, and it's like, hey, let's try that here. And it's just a way of sharing that information across the board. And we're trying to bring the Fulton Hogan team together as one so that we can cross-pollinate the learnings across the whole region, across the whole New Zealand business.
So for the team involved, we've brought down a lot of experience out of Canterbury. So we've got a 2.1 metre mill, also with the Canterbury paving team. They've joined up with our Southland paving team, sealing team, road marking teams, all to combine with as much experience we can give to Invercargill Airport to deliver this project to the best quality we can.
We're just resurfacing her with an eye to the future. One of the things that we're looking for is a good quality runway, a little bit more strength added to it, because we do see a need for different types of aircraft maybe in the future, so we have to future-proof the runway. It revolves around the actual treatment that we do, so the type of asphalt that we put on there. It's all very technical with the mixed designs and so on, and that's where Fulton Hogan was really helpful in designing with the engineering team. A good mix that would serve the people well, that would create a real margin for safety and strength and quality for us going forward. The measure of success for the pilots landing on the airfield is actually quite boring. We don't want them to notice any difference except for the color of the asphalt that we did the previous night. So to be able to get to that point, there are quite a few very specific timelines that we have to meet during a night shift. And we start work when the last plane basically goes over the lines and shuts down. The team gets out there with the work safety officers. They go right through the night until around that sort of 5 o'clock, 5:30 in the morning, when everybody disappears again. So in that time, every night, weather permitting, we take off the old asphalt, prepare the surface, put the new stuff on, do quality assurance checks, do the safety checks, and a whole list of other things. And we disappear again in the morning. So yeah, it's about 34 nights worth of work in total. And we estimate time-wise, again, weather permitting, around that sort of 6 to 7 week mark.
What I've really enjoyed about working with the Fulton Hogan team is their focus on making sure that they've got everything under control so that we hit that reliability target each morning. There's a lot of time and effort goes into the what-ifs. What if for every piece of equipment that they have on site, there's a backup plan for if that fails? So they always know that wherever we get to, they can make sure that actually we've got a runway that can function at 6 a.m. the next morning.
Absolutely fantastic working with Invercargill Airport. From the get-go, it's very much a team approach, working collaboratively, based on probably all the years' experience that we work together and forming a trust from the outset.